Good evening guys and girls, ParallaxGaming here with a tutorial on how to make a Minecraft server on Linux. Okay, so first of all, before we get started, we need to make sure that everyone has a small understanding of Linux, so this is quite essential to install the required packages which are needed to run Minecraft. One of them is installing the Oracle JDK. In this particular tutorial I'll be using Debian 8 for the operating system. Now on Debian 8 you will need to install the Oracle JDK. I will provide this link in the comment section, so please do click this and follow the instructions from installing the Oracle JDK all the way through to this little part here. Once you've actually run this little line of code here and accepted the terms and conditions, you should have Java 8 functioning on your Linux machine. Now that Java 8 is functioning on the Linux machine, we need to also make sure that we connect to the Linux machine through some sort of file transfer program. This is how we're going to transfer all the Minecraft files to the server. So in my case I'm using something called FileZilla. And I'm just going to put in the IP address of the server. And then followed by the username and the password. And the port, because I'm connecting through the SSH port, this should be port 22. Okay, so inside here I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to call it Minecraft Server. Okay, that's there. Let's go into the folder. And then we go back to our web browser. Now we're back in the web browser, we can now remove this tab because we've already installed Java. And we need to go to Google and type spigot download. Once we've brought this up, we need to go to the first link, which will take you here. And just in this tutorial, we're going to use the latest version of Minecraft, so 1.13.2, and we're going to click download. You're about to download, and then you just click the file name there and it should download the file. Marvellous, so that's completed the download, so we just drag and drop that down into our file transfer program, which will transfer the file to the server. As you can see, it's just transferring now. Okay guys, now that's transferred, we need to go back to our SSH console. In this tutorial I'll be using PuTTY for SSH, but you can use your own Linux SSH client of your liking. So once you're logged in, you need to make sure that you change directory to where your Minecraft server is stored. So mine is stored in root Minecraft server. So we'll go cd Minecraft server. Please note on Linux it is case sensitive, so you need to make sure that you type in exactly what you put for the folder name, including all capital letters. Now we're inside the folder. If I do ls, which displays all the files, it displays the spigot file which is inside the folder, which is brilliant. Once we've done this, we need to install something called tmux. This enables us to run the Minecraft server in the background once we exit the console. Typically, if you were to run this without tmux or any other type of program that runs this in the background, when you exit the console, it will exit the server as well. So the Minecraft server wouldn't actually work unless you were on the console. So to do this on Linux, in my particular version is Debian. We do apt-get install tmux. And we'll just do a $y to automatically accept. And as you can see, I've already installed tmux prior to doing this, but in your case it will just say it's installing. It usually takes a good minute or so to do. Now tmux is installed, we need to actually start the server and generate all the required files. Now to do this, all we do is start a tmux session by typing in tmux and pressing enter. Now we're in the new team up session, we need to start the server. So we're going to start with Java, _jar, because we're telling Java that we're running a jar file. And then we're going to put in the file name of the spigot file, which in this case is that. Now, you can add other arguments to the command as well, such as how much memory you want the server to use, but in this case we won't use anything. So once we've done that, we just press enter. As you can see, it's loading the spigot file now. Loading libraries, please wait. And it's saying here you need to agree to the EULA in order to run the server. So let's go back to our file transfer program. Click refresh and open the EULA file up. Now we've done that, we need to change false to true and save the file. Click yes. And then we go back to our SSH session. And a nice easy way to bring up the last command you used in SSH is just by pressing the up arrow. And press enter again, and that should now run the server again. Because this is the first time this server has been ran, it will need to generate the world file, the plugin folder and everything else, so this may take up to at least 5 minutes, so please be patient. Okay guys, that's great. Now the server's telling us it's finished booting up. It's saying done just here. And it's telling you the total number of seconds it's taken to boot up. You can now actually enter the Minecraft server and see what we've just created. So I'm just going to open my Minecraft now. Please do note the version of Spigot you've downloaded, as you will need to match the version which you've downloaded with your Minecraft. So in this case we're using 1.13.2. Okay guys, our Minecraft's just opened. Let's see if we can connect to this new server. Once we click multiplayer, we're going to put in the IP address of the server. In my case it's 192.168.1.105 and just press enter to join the server. As you can see, the console's actually telling me I've logged in. It's telling me the address I've connected from and my UUID. Here I am. Now, basic Minecraft doesn't have a lot of features. To be anywhere near like the big servers, you will need to download some third-party plugins. These are available from a wide range of different websites on the internet. I will be making a follow-up video on how to do this, so please do stay tuned for that video. Another essential thing, once you're actually into the Minecraft server, you do need to give yourself op. This is essential because it gives you all permissions and basically defines you as the owner. So to do that, you go to the console, type OP, and then space, and then type in your username. And then press enter. And it will give you feedback in the game to say you've been made a server operator. And that's basically everything for now. Please stay tuned for the next video, as I will be explaining more about this. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.